Alright, what's good, YouTube? I want to go over Friday's trade today. This is MambaFX Strategy 2 as well. I learned my strategy like 2 years ago from MambaFX. This is MambaFX Strategy right here. And it works perfectly. I've been back testing it for about a year straight, honestly. And it has like about a 50% win rate, I'll say. But it's about the risk to reward. It's about the for example, these trades right here. This was a 1 to 4 right here, basically. I got a 1.39, but that's a 1 to 4. So basically, over time, if you follow your strategy, you know, you stick to your risk reward, and you're always multiplying what you lose by like 2 more, like a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 4. Sometimes you can take the 1 to 1, but like if you have a winning strategy every day, but if you lose some days, you want to be able to lose two trades in one day, come back, hit a 1 to 4. Now you're up for another day or so. You know, that's the name of the game, bro. So basically, say if I took this trade and I lost. No, say the whole week I lost. I lost the whole week. Well, nah, I want to say that. All right, so basically, say if I lost, because if I lost the whole week, if I lost the whole week, I won't break even because I'm taking 2 trades per day. But most of them, yeah. So say if I take a trade the whole week and lost, basically 1 trade. And then I come here and I hit this 1 to 4. I'm good for the week. I break even for the week. And then over the long term periods, you know, I might not made a shit ton of money this week, but over the long term periods, it'll be a growth. Like you'll see, it's over the long term basically. You will grow your account long term. That's why most people rush it and they lose their accounts. They blow funded accounts, and you just can't do that. You gotta really stick through it like all the same thing, the same position and everywhere. But enough talking, let's get straight into it. All right, so basically, I think I hopped in here. Look at that 15-minute candle, honestly. All right, so basically, here, let's go put it over here so you see all that. All right, so basically, you see, this is the 9:15 candle right here. We got a trend line. That wasn't good enough for me. Well, basically, and then we're above the VWAP. We got the trend line break. We're above the VWAP, and we're breaking below this 9 EMA rainbow I got on here. Then we go down to the 5-minute. I saw this little bit of former support and resistance right here, so I marked up my line right here. I marked up this line right here, boom, and then, as you see, 9:25, this candle right here at 9:30, we got a breakout out the trend. That was one confluence. We're above the VWAP. We're above the 9 EMA. The green is on top, 9 EMA. We got a candle closure right here on the 5-minute. If we go to the 1-minute, we could probably see something as well. If we go to the 1-minute, we got a candle closure, and you can see on the 1-minute a little bit better. It was rejecting here a couple times. And then we got a breakout right there. So basically, yeah, it's that simple, you guys. You put your stop loss 25 pips. I always do 25 pips. Sometimes if I'm up a lot for the week, I'll kind of, I'll expand it, let it run. Sometimes you don't want to get stop hunted, but 25 pips every time. When you get to a 1-to-1, say if this would have hit a 1-to-1. At this 1-to-1 right here, I would have put my stops about halfway. Cause say you see how this went way up here. If this came back down here and broke this last higher low right here, that means the market, the trend is gonna reverse sometimes, or sometimes it can retrace and just go back up. But more than likely, I wouldn't want to be in that trade because that's showing signs the trend might reverse. So I put my stop loss halfway. So I'd put my stop loss right here, 1 to 2, depending on how it's looking at the 1 to 2. So you see like this candle right here, if it made like a long wick, start making a long wick towards the end of the time of the candle, I would have typically probably got out that trade and I would have closed and I would have probably took some profit. It's just about, you got to watch how it moves. You don't want to just always hold to a 1 to 3 every time and expect to win, because sometimes, you got to look for former resistances or something right here. That's why I have this line right here, because I'm like, okay, let me see how it reacts to this right here. So as you can see, it came up, and then we got a huge candle down, and most people probably got out right here, but you see me, I stayed in the trade. This is a 1-minute candle too, so it's kind of confusing. So you don't want to always look at the 1 minute. It looks choppy sometimes, and sometimes it can make you get out of trades. But as you can see right here, we just got a nice little wick, but it was still a great candle closure. We're engulfing all these candles right here for the past, all these 5 minute candles the past hour we're engulfing. So we're extremely bullish. We're above the VWAP. And that's when things took off, and we got this candle, this 5 minute candle. And that thing absolutely took off. I closed my trade about, let me see. It was a 1 to 4. I had my stop loss right below this because I'm like, okay, 1 to 3, I'm good. I didn't want to close half my position because I wanted to continue to take like full pips. So, you know, I didn't want to cut my win short, you know, and I could have got more, even though that's not a good idea. But I put my stop loss below here because I didn't close half partial. I just was like, I'm gonna keep the full position open. I'll move my stop loss up. If it reverses and hit, and it hits, and as you can see, it came back and it did end up hitting right here. So I was in there for about 1 to 3. Nice little 1 to 3 on there. That put me up, you know. So now I can go out Monday. I'm not gonna lose though, but say if I do, I'm good. And if I can go out Tuesday, you know, worst come to worst if I do, you know. But we come back Wednesday, you know, it should be a good day. Wednesday is always the best day. I wouldn't say the best day, but it's, you know, it's in the middle of the week. It's not confusion. But yeah, let's see. Because I know you guys are gonna say proof. So I gotta give you guys proof. I know. All right, let's see. Close positions. As you can see, let's see. As you can see, close position, 424. You know, that was $500 on that trade. I got another account, 5K funded account, and I made $160 on that. So basically, that's about $700 in about, let me see, 1, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Not bad. Some people work a whole week for that, yo. Like literally. But yeah, guys, if you guys need any tips or anything, any book suggestions, anything, y'all let me know. I'm enjoying. I used to like react to like Thailand music, but I'm kind of enjoying this way more. I'm enjoying the come out and, you know, just showing trading, like actually helping somebody with a skill I'm actually making money from. Kind of feels good. So if you guys have any if you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know. Drop a comment down below. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button, bro. I hope you learned something. If you like, and if I'm breaking it down too, I probably don't sound like the smartest, you guys, but trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I can break it down to you so where you can understand it. Like I'm not so high advanced talking about, you know, all this, you know, all that, like the high class words, technical analysis. I'm gonna break it down into you in terms that you can understand, you guys, in your language. You know, I'm not, you know, I learned from experience. So I learned all from me watching the chart literally from a year and a half straight, like literally, like trading every day. Like I said, I was gonna trade every morning at 9:30. I own a business, so I have time to do this. So yeah, man, you guys have a great day. And then yeah, I'm logging out. See you guys Monday, I believe. We're gonna be back Monday. Show you guys some more pips. You know, we're gonna go crazy. Flipping accounts soon and stuff. Funded accounts and stuff. We're gonna go crazy. But you know how we get. Let's go.